The aim of this experiment is to study the half adder and full adder. So what is a half adder? Half adder is a logic circuit which add the two inputs at a time here. So this is a block diagram of the half adder which has two inputs A and B, and the output is sum and carry. This is the truth table of the half adder. This has the input A and B, output is sum and the carry. When both the inputs are 0, that is A plus B, that is equal to 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1. When any one of the input is 1, therefore the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. When both the inputs are 1, means A plus B, that is the sum is 0 and carry is 1. So in order to obtain this half adder here, so we have to use this is a logic diagram. First I will show you logic diagram. So this is a logic diagram for the half adder. So the sum is obtained by the output of the exclusive OR gate, which has the input A and B here. The sum is equal to A exclusive B, and the carry is obtained by the output of the AND gate here. That is carry is equal to A dot P. So in order to build this circuit, we require the exclusive OR gate and the AND gate. That is IC 7486 as the exclusive OR gate and 7408 as the AND gate here. So let us build this circuit using the Tinkercad. We use the software Tinkercad. Just type the Tinkercad. This is the dashboard of the Tinkercad. So this will be used for 3D design as well as the circuit simulation. So therefore we click on the circuit and here we create the new circuit. So this is the working place where we build the circuit here. So for building the circuit here, we require the breadboard. We use the breadboard for this. So just type the breadboard, select this and drag it, place at this position. Then for building this exclusive OR half adder here, we require the exclusive OR gate. So therefore that exclusive OR gate is 7486. 7486. So this is a core XOR gate. So select it here and put it here. Similarly for AND gate here, that is a 7408, that is the AND gate. So select and put it here. Then power supply we need. This is a power supply. This is power supply. Put it like this. Connect this positive terminal of this power supply, this row here. Since it is a positive, so therefore we show it by the red color. This wire, red color wire. Then we connect this negative. That is the ground. So this we show this wire as a black color. Then, so you connect this supply on the both sides. On this side we connect this so that you can use from both sides. This is plus, as well as we have to use the ground also. This is shown by black color. Then we use this pin number 14. It will be connected to the plus VCC. Pin number 7, that is connected to the ground. Similarly, the pin number 14 of this IC 7408 also connected to the plus VCC. Pin number 7 of this IC also connected to the ground. Now, so we build the circuit here. So for the half adder, the sum is obtained by the output of the exclusive OR gate. So A and B, these are the inputs here. So for giving the input, we use the switch here, the side switch. which will select either 0 or 1 here. So this will be the slides which we can use here. So if it is connected to this side here, so it is connected to VCC. So therefore, if you put it on, and this is a common terminal, I will connect to the as a input here, and this is a negative that will be connected to the ground. So in this way, if it is put on this side here, this common terminal connected to plus VCC, that is the logic 1, or if it is on this side, then it is connected to the 0. Similarly, we have to use the another switch for the B input here. So it is for the B input here. Then we take the output of this exclusive OR gate as a sum, and that will be indicated on the LED here. So we use the LED for this purpose. Here we use the one LED. The output of the number 3 is the output, which will be connected to this anode. Then we use one more resistor, so that will be get connected between the ground and the cathode. This one terminal connected to ground, and the other terminal is connected to the cathode of this LED. So that will give the sum. Similarly, we can use the for other also here. So this is for the sum, and for carry we use this AND gate here. So this is one input. A is connected to pin number 1, B is pin number 2, and the output of this, that is pin number 3, is connected to the LED here. So it will indicate the what is the carry here. If this LED will glow, then it shows what carry is 1. So in this way we can have these two inputs A and B here, and they are connected in this manner. So once the circuit will be connected here, created, then we go for the simulation. Let us see how it works here. Start this. Now we will find that since both A and B both are 0, so therefore the 0 plus 0, that is output is 0, sum is 0, and even carry is also 0. So carry is equal to A dot B, means 0 dot 0, that is a 0. Now we make A is 1. So when we make A is 1 here, then 1 plus 0, that is sum is 1, but the carry is still 0 because 0 into 1 is 0. Now we make this 0, A 0 and B 1. Still the sum is 1, but the carry is 0. And now we make both are 1, A, B, both are 1. A is 1, B is 1. Then we find that the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. So in this way, this circuit will work here. So that is the half adder. Similarly, we can build the full adder also. So let us see how to build the full adder here. Again, we use this Tinkercad to build the full adder. Actually, full adder is a combination of the two half adders here. So we use the two half adder to build this full adder. So what is the full adder? Full adder will add the 3 bits at a time here. That is, the third bit is a carry from the previous addition. This is a C in, that is the third bit, which is a carry from the previous addition. Also the full adder have the two output sum in the carry, but input is one more additional than this way. So the two half adder become forms the full adder here. So in order to build this circuit here, then this will be the practical circuit of the half adder, and then we go for the practical circuit for the full adder. So here we use this is the one half adder, and this will be the another half adder. So these two will get added here, and that will form the full adder. So for this purpose, this is exclusive OR, this is exclusive OR, we use the IC 7486, and for this AND gate we use the 7408. Actually this will be the 7408 here. This IC is, that is AND gate, and for OR gate it is 7432. This will be 7432. IC that will be used for. So this is found. Let us now construct this circuit here. So we can have the exclusive OR gate, that is the pin number 1 is connected to A, that is pin number B is the input B, and pin number 3 is connected to pin number 4. So see the circuit diagram here. Pin number 3 is connected to pin number 4, as well as it is connected to the pin number 1 of this AND gate here, that is 7408. Actually this should be 7408. Okay, so this will be pin number 4 is connected to the pin number 1 of the IC 7408. Let us now it will be connected here. So see here, so this will be connected to the pin number 1 of 7408. Okay, then this output is connected to this pin number that is pin number 6 is connected to the pin number 2 of this 7408, that is AND gate here. So let us see the circuit diagram. So see this pin number 2 and pin number 5, they are connected as an input hole. Yeah. And this pin number 2 of this exclusive OR gate is connected to the pin number 5. Yeah. That will form the B here. This B is common for this one. Okay. So we'll connect this, and finally the output of 6, that is exclusive OR output, that is the sum here. Let us see now it will be sum here. This is the pin number 6. This is the output here. It is connected as a to the LED to show what is the sum here, and the pin number 3 of the this IC 7432, that is OR gate, that is nothing but what? This is the carry. So this pin number 3 is a carry here. So in this way we build the full adder also here. Now to add the do the simulation here, let us start the simulation here. Now initially we make this all. So this is simulation of this. Now we will make this A is 0, B is 0, C is also 0. Sorry, all are, we will make this 0, 0 and 0. So see here, it will happen. Yes, just yes. When A, B, C all are 0 here, the sum is 0 and the carry is 0 here. Okay. Now we will make this A is 1. So that is A plus B, that is 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 0 is 1, therefore sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Now we make A, B both are 1, then 1 plus 1, that is 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1, third bit is 0 here, therefore we can have the carry 1 and sum is 0 here. And if we make all are 1, then 1 plus 1, that is 1 0, plus 1, that is 1 1, therefore the sum is 1 and carry also 1 here. So in this way this circuit will get simulated here. So let us conclude that this will verify the truth table of this. So therefore the half adder and full adder has been connected successfully by using this Tinkercad, and we verified the truth table by simulating this circuit using these gates here. What are the required gates here? So this is now these are the questions for the oral here. This what is the loss for the arithmetic operation, that is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is what is half adder, what is full adder, what is the advantage of full adder over the half adder, like this here. So it is prepared for this question, okay, from point of view of oral.